BJP, though, continues to cite facts as it claims. They say they've gone through the manifesto and there are at least 3 mentions that buttress its claims. In the first, the Congress says it will conduct a caste and socio-economic census and strengthen its agenda for reservation. Second, the Congress manifesto says that economic empowerment of minorities is necessary for India and that it will ensure banks provide credit to minorities. And lastly, the manifesto also says it will ensure minorities receive their fair share of opportunities, including education, healthcare, jobs, contracts, skilling, sports and culture. Meanwhile, the Congress party's manifesto aside, let's listen into Rahul Gandhi's exact remarks from 2 separate occasions which led to this massive war of words, and also what Manmohan Singh had first said when he was the Prime Minister.
हमने वायदा किया है कि जैसे ही हमारी सरकार आएगी, जो हमने तेलंगाना में किया, जाति जनगणना को हम पूरे देश में इंप्लीमेंट कर देंगे। देश का एक्सरे कर देंगे, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा। पिछड़े वर्ग को, दलितों को, आदिवासियों को, गरीब जनरल कास्ट के लोगों को, माइनॉरिटीज को पता लग जाएगा कि इस देश में उनकी भागीदारी कितनी है। मैं आपसे सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूं, आप जग जाओ। आपको लूटा जा रहा है, 24 घंटे आपको लूटा जा रहा है और आप देखते जा रहे हो। मैनिफेस्टो में हमने क्रांतिकारी काम करना है। पहला काम जाति जनगणना, इससे सबकी गिनती हो जाएगी, सबको पता लग जाएगा किसकी कितनी आबादी। उसके बाद इकोनॉमिक सर्वे होगा, फाइनेंशियल सर्वे होगा, हिंदुस्तान की सब संस्थाओं का सर्वे होगा। सबको पता लग जाएगा हिंदुस्तान के धन में किसकी कितनी भागीदारी है।
We need to be revitalized. We will have to devise innovative plans to ensure that minorities, particularly the Muslim minority, are empowered to share equitably in the fruits of development. They must have the first claim on our resources.
This is a reaction of the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh that's been spoken of by Amit Malviya, the BJP IT cell chief, who has posted 4 separate instances ranging from 2004 when Manmohan Singh first became Prime Minister to 2014 before he left office. In 2004, the then Prime Minister had said he was distressed by the low representation of minorities, particularly Muslims, in many walks of life. In 2006, Manmohan Singh said the Muslim community was particularly backward among other minorities. He emphasized on a school scheme in Muslim-populated areas, focusing on Muslim girls. A month later, in 2006, he said Muslims haven't had an equal share in the fruits of development. And then in Jan 2014, he said that among minorities, Muslim community hasn't had an equal share of the wealth. Let's listen into how some of the BJP leaders have picked up these instances to say here's why the Prime Minister is absolutely right in what he said.
अभी कांग्रेस पार्टी को मिर्ची लगी। मोदी जी ने उनके घोषणा पत्र में से सबकी संपत्ति का सर्वे करने का कहा है। मोदी जी ने कल कहा क्यों करना है सर्वे को। कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरी नरेंद्र मोदी पर सवाल उठा रही है। मैं आज कांग्रेस पार्टी को पूछना चाहता हूं, आपके घोषणा पत्र में सर्वे की बात है या नहीं है?
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।